Imagine a world where one country, instead of following the traditional route, a singular head of state elects two presidents simultaneously. The United Republic of Concordia, once a sleepy nation known for its peaceful landscapes and even more peaceful politics, found itself at the center of global intrigue. The concept was simple. One president would handle domestic affairs, focusing on education, health, and infrastructure. The other, a globe-trotting diplomat, would manage foreign relations and defense. The idea emerged as a solution to the polarized politics tearing apart nations across the globe. Why not split the responsibilities to ensure focused leadership? Initially, it worked wonders. Concordia's domestic president launched initiatives that transformed nation cities into paragons of green technology, while the foreign president brokered unprecedented peace deals, becoming a darling on the international stage. However, cracks soon began to show. Domestic policies started clashing with international obligations. One president wanted to prioritize local industries, while the other signed trade deals that contradicted those interests. Public opinion polarized. Some citizens rallied behind the domestic advancement, while others cherished their newfound international clout. The tension escalated, reaching its peak during an unexpected crisis. A natural disaster struck, demanding immediate and unified action. But with two different leaders attempting to steer the ship, coordination proved disastrous. Conflicting orders left emergency responses tangled, showing the world the flaw in Concordia's dual presidency. Yet, in an ironic twist of fate, the disaster that showcased their division also sparked an unforeseen unity. Citizens, frustrated by the inefficiency, began to take initiative themselves, organizing community-led recovery efforts that surpassed any governmental program, illustrating the very essence of unity and resilience that Concordia aimed to embody with its two presidents.